Now I will show you some basic tags. The first set is the set of headings. I can have headings from 1 to 6, which differs from the size of the font. Okay, so if I'm gonna save this as a hypertext and I say example 01, okay, and I'm gonna execute example 01, you see you have heading with different font size, let's say. Another element is the paragraph. You see, have paragraph between the p tags. Okay, so example 2, hypertext. If I launch it, you see this is the first paragraph, this is the second, this is the third. So we have the p. Then we have another one, which is the, if I want to have a break here, a carriage return, I need to do like this. Okay, this one, hypertext, and if I'm gonna run it, say hello, you deliver. So to go one line down, I need to put here this break, which is a one tag. Okay, because you can have an opening and closing tag, or you can have a tag with the enclosing at the end, which means that this is one tag element. Okay, then I have this one, okay, which is the center elements. If you want to center this, I use center here. You can see. I'm gonna save it. That's 4 hypertext. I'm gonna execute this. You can see here this is not in the center, this is in the center. You use the center tags. And then here we have this one which had a horizontal line. Okay, I'm gonna paste this. You see I put a line between two and I use HR. This one also is like BR, is a one tag element with a closure at the end, like that. And then we have this one, which is a pre. Here, for example, if I have top, this one, head script. Okay, if I'm gonna close this, I'm gonna paste this. This is a JavaScript script, which will not be displayed. Okay, like that, which will not display. But here, if I put pre and pre, this will be displayed. Okay. So it's going to not consider that this is an HTML part. Okay, I continue to select the wrong one. Okay. Okay, so this part will be ignored as HTML formatting, and in fact, if I'm gonna execute this, you see that I'm gonna print this. Okay. And then the last one here is how to put some spaces between strings. I use this special character like that, at and BSP, so blank space. Okay, so I'm gonna save this as 7. Okay, so if I'm going to execute this, you see I have some spaces, you see, and here we have also this. Okay, I have spaces here, 1 and 2 spaces. Okay, MSP. Simple as that. So these are some of the most used and basic tag elements.